Hello everyone, my name is Faith, but you may call me Unmay. Oh, greetings, and welcome back to another obligatory episode of Roblox Draw Me. What's that? You don't look broke AF anymore? Why yes, it's because I finally decided to give in to peer pressure and buy some Robux. And the way I'm justifying this to myself is because this is now a business expense, okay? It's not just me frivolously spending my money. Okay, without further ado, let's draw this bald guy. Start with the eyes and the nose first, then start mapping out where the face is gonna go. I'm gonna draw in a hand because I feel like it'll add to the pose. Let's color in that super unnaturally yellow skin. Apparently this guy has jaundice or something. Color in his suit black, and add some wrinkles and detail to the clothes. And a little bit of warm shading will help this picture pop even more. This guy is so dapper and demure. I mean, DiCaprio who? Okay, let's see what the people have to say. I'm waiting. Did y'all just fall asleep at your keyboard or something? I guess not, because they're pretty quick to react to this one. How am I supposed to get outside validation without you guys reacting to my drawing? Okay, this is his own drawing of himself, but there's literally no horns. Why did he add horns? Mans looks hypnotized. Ooh, you will give me 5 stars. Okay, who gave their 3-year-old an iPad again? Stop iPad parenting your kids. Okay, this one's not horrible. I like the little ash blushies on his cheeks. Ooh, what an unusual use of colors. That's nice. Okay, let's see who made the podium. What the frick frackety jackety is this? Me in 3rd place got the same amount of likes. Why didn't I get up there? As usual in this game, I'm getting ripped off of winning. But that's not gonna stop me from carrying onward. I'm so brave. Yeah, this lobby is gonna be different. I know it. I can feel it. Okay, this guy is glitched on the side, but we're just gonna draw what we can see of him. He's giving uncle on a vacation vibes. So let's give him that classic older anime man look. I feel like they always smile all goofily like this after they do something silly. Like, oh sorry kiddo, didn't mean to embarrass you in front of your date. And the hair is also definitely giving anime. Alright, let's draw in those little leaves on his head. Give him a little color. Add some cute blushies. And we're going full anime with the little marks on the side. Alright, let's see everybody's drawings. What? I am so confused right now. How did they do that? First of all, looks nothing like him. Second of all, why are you hacking in this game? Oh, I like this one. This is cute. And here's mine. And they're actually giving feedback. Oh, I feel so much better. Oh, apparently that was all the drawings? Well, I won, so I'm happy. There's literally only 3 people in the lobby. Alright, it's time to draw the hacker guy. He doesn't really deserve to be drawn, but I'm gonna have to do it anyways. Draw a generic head first, and make it all black. Add some little creepy eyes, and his hair. And we gotta make the hair shiny, of course, and make things stand out with white. Also, I'm gonna add some little creepy tendrils, because, I don't know, it just kind of suits his weirdness. And lastly, make the background gray and define some stuff. Then we're all done. Alright, let's see everybody else's drawings. That's okay, I guess. 2-star. Looks like bro's hack stopped working. He just falls down to the ground in defeat. Oh, looks like he got a perm. And now he's a gingerbread man. You can really tell this one was made by a kid. Whoa, so edgy. And here's mine. It doesn't look that good, honestly. I low-key broke his neck, but I somehow still won. Well, I'll take it. I'm not complaining. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Whoa, she's so elegant. Okay, I gotta lock in. Put in that big rimmed hat. Struggle drawing her face. Start putting in that wispy hair. And include those little beads on her hat. And lastly, let's make sure we define everything with details. Alright, let's see everyone else's. Basic AF. At least they colored it. Ooh, I like this one. 4-star. Aw man, mine looks lamer in comparison now because they don't have a bunch of cool colors. They sabotaged me. Sorry, I yawned. Oh, that's nice. Good attention to detail. Let's see who won. Oh, cool. I will gladly take second. Okay, right on to the next one. Oh my, she's so cute. Don't mess it up, don't mess it up, don't mess it up. I'm gonna give her a little sleeping pose because it kind of looks like she's in pajamas. Alright, let's give her a little bit of color. Okay, her face be looking a little wonky. Let's fix that. And add the mandatory blue shoes with the 5 seconds we have left. And then she's done. Alright, let's see the others. This is their self-portrait. No, it's not bad. It's unique. Come on guys, you had like 5 minutes. You can do better. Okay, we're getting some color. That's something. Oh, here we go. That's cute. All the hair swirlies are so on point. Then there's Walmart Miku. Oh, heck yes, this is cute. I love the little poofy hair. 4-star worthy. Ah, shit, mine. Well, they're giving me little heart monkeys, so that's a good sign, right? Okay, let's see who won. Okay, poofy hair beat us. That's okay. Hers was pretty cute. Also guys, please be sure to turn on notifications so you always get notified when I make a new video. Alrighty, it's time to draw Noel. Let's start with an eye first, then struggle and cry trying to draw these glasses. I'm gonna be more ambitious and draw a hand this time. I really must hate myself for something. Let's waste more time and redo the eye. Then everything will start popping with colors. Ooh, remember how I was wasting time earlier? Yeah, I only have 21 seconds left. Oh, hurry, get the blushies in. Okay, I think I did it. It's at least somewhat passable now. Okay, let's see all the art. Oh, that's really good. I did not even see the little monkey particles floating around her. I'm so observant. Fee? Maybe that's her friend and she knows her name? I don't know, nothing else explains all the heart emojis. Oh, she forgot to brush her hair. And girl, you need some treatment for those split ends. Oh my god, I love this person's little chibis. They're so cute. Oh, it's mine. Oh god, I forgot the heart on the chest. Well, I still like it at least. Suddenly, mine looks a lot better now. And suddenly, the last one looks a lot better now. The decline in artistic ability just keeps on going. Alright, time for the results. Whoa, we somehow won. Okay, let's quickly jump into the next one. This time I started off with the nose. I'm not sure why. Alright, she's got them fierce eyes going. So let's be sure to stay true to that. She kind of reminds me of a Bratz doll. She even has similar hair. The only thing out of place is the Stranger Things shirt. I don't think a Bratz would wear that. But go off, queen. Okay, let's give her some lip filler. And she's good to go. See all the drawings. This is just a literal egg. Here's mine. I honestly think this turned out really nice. And then there's this monstrosity. You know, this one's pretty simple, but the confidence in the lines kind of sells it for me. 3-star. Alright, this one's good. Nobody can deny that. Take your 4-star, queen. You just go AFK in the middle of a round? Why? Alright, let's see who podiumed. Okay, Noel got first and I got second. That's fine, that's fine. Low-key, mine was better though. Okay, let's move on to another one. Oh, this is so cute. Look at the little doggy on her head. Let's make sure we do her justice. Let's start on those eyes and get the little dongo pup in there. Start on her hair and do the body. It looks like she's contemplating the meaning of life, so I'm just gonna have her arms crossed and her legs will be folded underneath. Okay, I decided to put little music notes around her because it kind of looked like she was listening to music. I'm not really sure, I just thought it fit. Okay, on to the art show. That's cute. 2-star. That's mine. I think they like it. Oh, again, Noel popping off with the drawings. 3-star. And then there's this. She's just a girl. Okay, who won? Yes! My ego needed this win. Okay, let's do one more. Ew! What am I looking at? Oh, I guess I'll draw him. What possessed this person to make such a cursed avatar? See, there is no way I can make this character hot. I'm just gonna draw him as is. Let's put in that stupid hair. He may have muscles, but he is the opposite of smexy. Well, at the very least, it's given me a chance to draw something different, I guess. Okay, let's just finish this up and be done with it. Alright, let's see everybody's art. I mean, it's pretty accurate. What can I say? Alright, it's mine. This is so dumb. I don't think I can even judge these with a straight face. Yeah, I low-key gave up too. This is just the baby doll thing from FNAF. Ooh, that's 6-pack though. This guy's just a straight-up acorn. Okay, let's see the winners. Oh, I won. I don't know if I should be proud or not though. Alright, let's do the actual last one because I refuse to have that one count. Ooh, and we finally get to draw my avatar. Oh Jesus, why did I decide to have so many details on myself? Well, I'm gonna try and get them all in 5 minutes. Here we got a decent roundish head going. Make sure we get those cute anime eyes in there because I did spend money on it. Drawing that wavy hair. Right now we're kind of in Pokemon territory. I'm not sure why. Maybe it's the chibiness of the face. Now that we have the hair colored and everything is starting to fall into place. I kind of suck at drawing flowers, so I'm just gonna lazily plop some color in there. And then we add in the wings and she's pretty much done. I mean, I'm pretty much done. I don't know. Let's see everyone's drawings. Okay, they got the hair, I guess. Cool. And they got the pink in, alright. So far, I'm really underwhelmed. Alright, this one had an artistic interpretation. I can appreciate it, I suppose. Here's mine. The feedback is nice, I like feedback. Aw, that one's cute. That's my favorite so far. Alright, they made me into a villainess. And that's just a stick man. They couldn't have at least put a little dress on me. Well, at least I won. I mean, I was expecting no less, honestly. Alright, let's choose somebody to make into a full drawing this video. Oh, hello. Wait, guys, I think we're having a moment. Okay, I've decided you're the one I'm gonna draw. Alright, quickly, here's the speed paint for him. Kinda reminded me of a mage, so that's exactly what I made him into. And yes, I did struggle with the hand perspective. Thank you for noticing. Once I added some magic from the book, it pretty much was done. And here we are with the final piece. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and maybe even subscribe. Bye-bye for now.